Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this picture and they're trying to get it into that shape, and a couple people said we'll use text to path. Text to path on a box like this really doesn't work. I mean, it makes it too complicated. So let's back up here. And what I would do, this box is not quite 10 inches, so I'm going to change my nudge factor to 10 inches. I'm going to make a duplicate of that box. Control D and move it over. Now I'm going to take this one, and with my shape tool, you know what, for a second here, I'm going to do something. We do not need this node or this node. They did not change anything. I'm going to select both these nodes, and I'm going to right click my mouse, and I'm going to break it apart. Now you see this arrow that's going that way and an arrow that's going that way. Just grab that one, hold down the shift, and then let's nudge it out of the way. Now we can we're going to have to go to arrange and break curve apart to get the two pieces. Now we can nudge this one back. And because we're still on 10 inches, we'll make sure we're good, and we're good. Then you can do text to path on this line. So let's go text to path. And it still gives you a little bit of problem, but that's good. And then what I would do is, we have a lot of tools inside of Corel to move that over. And that's probably good. Now it's not going to be in the center of the box, but we're going to grab both of it. We're going to go to range, and we're going to break it apart and get rid of our path. Now I can bring my box over. And there's two things you could do, and one of them would just be to nudge it up slowly. One thing we can do, we can measure get the parallel dimension tool and measure this distance, and it's 2 inches basically. Our font's probably half of that, but the easiest way to do would be to grab both of them and go E, and that's really all you have to do. It's centered it. Now we're a little bit off on the side. Normally I would go EC, so let's do both of them and go C. And it's going to look like it's off because of the shape. The distance from here to here is the same, but it's just that T makes it look funny. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.